Login loop error on Starling Business Fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on your Starling business account where you sign in, but immediately get sent back to the login page, you're definitely not alone. The surprising truth is that it's not usually a Starling system problem. Instead, it's caused by cached data, outdated app versions, or browser conflicts. Here's how to fix it quickly. First, close the Starling app completely. On Android, open Settings, Apps, Starling, and tap Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe it away in the app switcher. Then, clear your app cache. On Android, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall and reinstall the app to reset any stored login data. If you use the Starling web portal, clear your browser's cookies and cache. These temporary files store login tokens that can get out of sync with Starling servers, causing endless login loops. Next, update your app. Starling's regular security catches mean older versions may no longer authenticate correctly. Go to the App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Another important step: test your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Some Wi-Fi networks block Starling's secure authentication redirects. Also, try turning off any password manager or autofill system for one login attempt. These can inject old credentials or invisible characters, which cause authentication failures. Manually typing your login details ensures a clean connection to Starling's server. Finally, restart your phone and log in again. Most users find that the loop vanishes immediately after these steps, so the next time you face a login loop with your Starling business account, don't panic. It's not your credentials or the bank itself, it's just your device holding onto outdated data. Clear it, refresh it, and you'll be back to managing invoices, transactions, and your business finances in minutes.